Adolf Anderssen was one of the greatest chess players of the 19th century. He was, I think, prime rival of Paul Morphy. And these checkmates were pretty much what he invented as he played in the games. And they pretty much became a pattern where either the rook or the queen would checkmate the king with the support of a bishop or a pawn on the 8th rank. For example, in this first puzzle, rook just needs to go to the end of the board in the last rank and the pawn supports it. Okay, so this is the easy one. The other two might be slightly tricky. See if you can solve it. For example, in this, there's no forced move, but it's about placing the pieces. The main thing to realize in this particular puzzle is that there is a pawn and you need the queen or the rook here. Rook being too far, I think it's the queen. So now what do? Pause the video, try it out, my friend. Go to your Lichess. This is Checkmate Pattern 3 section in the Learn and Practice part of Lichess. So go access that and try out 2 and 3. Come back and then try it out. Okay, so the correct answer is queen moving here and threatening a checkmate, which is inevitable. You know, white cannot stop it except delay it. And no matter what he does now, the game's over with the Anderssen checkmate. Now, I want to know if you got checkmate number 3, because this is the real crux of it. Please let me know in the comment section. There's a tricky one, but it involves so many tactics. So for example, it involves you seeing that the bishop is somehow controlling this particular pawn, and it also involves this bishop controlling this long diagonal. But all of this can happen only if this knight moves away. So you begin by sacrificing this knight, and then you sacrifice the queen, and then you use all those beautiful pins to find the amazing checkmate. Wasn't that beautiful? I mean, let's look at this again. It involved a queen sacrifice, it involved a knight sacrifice, and it involved bringing this rook here in a roundabout way and utilizing all these pins. Wasn't it wonderful? Queen takes, rook check, pawn can't kill it thanks to a pin here. King is forced to go back, and then you have a checkmate with the rook and the bishop supporting it from a long back. Beautiful, wouldn't you say? I'll see you in the next video.